Hello everyone. Have you ever looked at a scuffed up piece of polypropylene plastic and wished you could make it look new again? Polypropylene, or PP, is a very common and durable plastic used in everything from car bumpers and trim to outdoor furniture and tool cases. But its waxy, chemical-resistant nature makes it notoriously difficult to polish. Today, I'm going to show you a couple of effective methods to remove scratches and restore the shine to your polypropylene parts. Before we begin, the most important step is preparation. You must start with a perfectly clean surface. Wash the part thoroughly with soap and water to remove any loose dirt and grime. After it's dry, wipe it down with isopropyl alcohol to get rid of any oils or residues that could interfere with the polishing process. Now, let's cover our first method, which is traditional mechanical polishing. This is best for light scuffs and haze. You will need a series of fine grit wet and dry sandpaper, like 800, 1500, and finally 2000 grit. The key here is to wet sand. Keep the surface and the sandpaper wet with water to prevent the plastic from melting due to friction. Start with the 800 grit, sanding gently in one direction to smooth out the initial scratches. Then, move to the 1500 grit, sanding in a direction perpendicular to your first pass. Finally, finish with the 2000 grit. This process should leave you with a smooth but uniformly dull surface. To bring back the shine, use a plastic polishing compound on a clean microfiber cloth or a low-speed buffing pad. Work the polish in until the haze is gone and a shine appears. Our second method is heat polishing, which is often faster and more effective for polypropylene. A huge word of caution here, this method involves using a heat gun or a propane torch and should only be done in a well-ventilated area with proper safety gear, and always practice on a hidden spot or a scrap piece first. The goal is not to melt the plastic, but to gently heat the surface. Hold the heat source several inches away from the part and use a constant, sweeping motion. Never stay in one spot for too long. As you apply the heat, you will see the fine scratches and the dull, hazy surface magically flow together and become shiny and dark again. This happens because you are melting the very top microscopic layer of the plastic, allowing it to smooth itself out. It takes practice to get the speed and distance right, but the results can be amazing, often looking better than a mechanical polish. So there you have it, 2 solid methods for bringing polypropylene back to life. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to see more projects and tutorials like this one. Your support really helps the channel grow and allows us to keep making useful content for you. See you in the next one.